How to use gift card on AliExpress. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to use Visa card on AliExpress. So first, just log in to AliExpress. Okay, you have to go to AliExpress and then log in your account. Before anything else, you must register your Visa card for online use. So many Visa cards need to be registered with your professional information to be used for online purchases. Now log in to your AliExpress account, go to My AliExpress, click on your profile icon and select My AliExpress. Now navigate to Payment Methods, find and click on Payment Methods to manage your payment options. Here you need to add your number, expiration date, and then CVV. After that, once you have added, then you can now make a purchase. After adding your Visa card, you can use it to make purchases. It's time to select items, proceed to checkout, choose payment method, select your Visa card as the payment method, complete the purchase, confirm the payment to finalize your order. And that's it. That's basically how easy it is to use Visa card on AliExpress. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.